Go.
All right, guys. We're going to show you how to install our valve cover kit for the Yamaha YZ450R. Very common problem on these things is this stock fitting. This is a brand new one, but over time they get loose and they'll pop out. You won't know it. All the oil will shoot out of your motor, cause a bunch of problems. This is one of the first things you need to do to these bikes. So once you remove your valve cover, this fitting just pops in. So you gotta do is take this screwdriver or punch, usually comes out pretty easy, just like that, comes right out. That's all there is to it. That's why they pop out so easy. Now, it's gonna come with the tap. Go ahead and take your tap, start your tap in here. You want to go ahead and tap this out. I like to tap them to where they come all the way through down there, so you need to go a little bit further. Nothing you can hit there, so you can go fairly far. You don't have to really worry about it. So go ahead and tap that out. You want to clean the threads out, just blow them out real quick. Take your fitting. I got some JB Weld already mixed up here. Put that JB Weld on it. You can also put some JB Weld down in the threads here. Get it good. And just go ahead and take your fitting. Make sure you finish this to where your angle is pointing in the same direction as the stock one was. If I can get it to go here. I like to tighten them up so they stick. And you get them nice and tight so they don't come out. And get them back to the same angle that they were in. And then you can go ahead and put a little JB Weld around here, make sure it's all sealed up for you. And that's all there is to it.